In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in photos with Gemini AI while keeping the same design. By the end, you'll be able to swap text in an image while preserving the exact look and feel, background, layout, and style, so it appears as if it was never edited. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and ready to work in the main interface. If this is your first time, take a second to confirm you have a stable internet connection and that your image is saved somewhere easy to find on your device. Next, upload your image. Choose a clear, high-quality version of the photo you want to edit. The better the resolution, the more natural the replacement will look, especially for fine details like thin fonts or textured backgrounds. Now, go to Tools, then click Create Image. This places you inside Gemini's image workspace, where it understands both what's in your picture and what changes you want it to make. You'll see a place to add instructions, and that's where the real magic happens. It's time to enter your prompt. To make this easy, copy the prompt from the description below and paste it into the prompt box. It reads, "Seamlessly replace the text, original text, with final text, while keeping the background, design, and other elements unchanged. Match the font style, size, position, and color to look natural and consistent with the original image." After pasting, replace the words inside the quotes with your specific before and after text. Keep the quotes around your phrases so Gemini understands exactly what to change. If your image uses a distinctive style, like bold sans serif, handwritten chalk, or embossed lettering, you can mention that in the same prompt to help Gemini match it more precisely. Short, direct wording works best. Once your prompt is ready, submit it and wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. Generation time can vary depending on image complexity, so give it a moment. When the result appears, zoom in to check that the new text matches the original style. Look at alignment, spacing, color tone, and any shadows or highlights. If something feels a bit off, lightly refine the wording of your prompt without changing steps and run it again. Small clarifications like specifying the exact position or color often make a big difference. That's it. Open your Gemini account, upload the image, click Tools and Create Image, enter the prompt from the description with your own text, and wait for Gemini to generate the edited version. With this workflow, your photo keeps the same design, and the text swap looks clean and authentic.